Class 8 Maths, Chapter 3 Algebra. Today we are discuss about the topic factorization. Expressing any number as the product of two or more numbers is called as factorization. The number 12 can be expressed as the product of prime factors like 12, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This is called prime factorization. How will you factorize an algebraic expression? Yes, expression an algebraic expression as the product of two or more expression is called a factorization. For example, a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then next second subdivision 5y plus 30 equal to then 5 then this number also divide in 5 double. Then take outside in 5 into then remaining y plus then 30 divide 5 double 6 5s are 30. Then answer is equal to 5 into y plus 6. Example 3.18 factorize 4x squared y plus 8xy. Solution we have 4x squared y plus 8xy. This can be written as 4 how to write? 2 into 2 x squared. X write 2 times x into x. Then next y. Then write y. Plus 8 into xy. 8 how to write? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Then next x into y. Okay. Then taking out the common factor. 2 one time 2 time. This side also 1 time 2 time. Then 2 time 2 outside take. Then x also common. This side 1x 2x having. This side only 1x. Then take outside only 1x. X into the next y also common. Then y into remaining 2 having 2 having 1x then 1y all the one take outside remaining x plus 2 x plus 2 then 2 into 2 2 2s are 4 x into y then 4xy into x plus 2. The next example 3.19 the first subdivision factorize 2x plus 5 into x minus y plus 4y into x minus y. Okay, solution we have then two side common number x minus y. This side also x minus y. Then taking out the common binomial factor x minus y. Then x minus y into remaining 2x plus 5. This side plus 4y. Then answer is equal to x minus y into 2x plus 5 plus 4y. Then second subdivision 3n into p minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus p. Solution we have 3n into p minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus p. Okay, this side taking outside minus symbol taking outside then minus 4 into minus plus then plus b minus 2 then 2 side also common number p minus 2 taking out the common binomial p minus 2 into p minus 2 outside taking remaining 3n minus 4. The last one answer p minus 2 into 3n minus 4. The next example 3.20 factorize x squared plus yz plus xy plus xz. Okay, first one we have x squared plus yz plus xy plus xz. Group the terms. Then first x term x squared plus xy. Then one group. Then yz plus xz. This side also one group. This bracket common number x only. Okay, x take outside. 2x having 1x outside coming. Remaining 1x. Okay. Next this side xy 1x outside coming. Remaining y. Then y. x plus y. The next one bracket, this two inside bracket, one common variable z only. Then z take outside, remaining y plus x. Okay, this side x plus y, y plus x. 2 also 1 plus 2. Answer is equal to 3. Then 2 plus 1, answer is equal to 3. This 2 also same. Okay. Then x plus y, then y plus x also same. Then take outside x plus y, then remaining x plus z. The last answer x plus y into x plus z. The next example 3.21. Factorize x squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay, solution. Now x squared plus 8x plus 16 can be written as x squared plus 8x. 16 how to write? 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 how many times? 2 times. Then 4 squared right. Are you understand? Next, comparing this with a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Then a plus b the whole squared format. Okay, then a value x, b value 4. Okay, then x plus 4 the whole squared right. X plus 4 the whole squared right. Then a squared x squared 2 into a value x, b value 4. Then b value 4 squared. Then x squared plus 2 4s are 8x plus 4 squared means 16. Okay, then answer is equal to x plus 4 the whole squared. Then factorize x plus 4 comma x plus 4. X plus 4 the whole squared 2 times, then 2 times right. Okay, 2 factors. Next example 3.22. Factorize 49x squared minus 84xy plus 36y squared. Solution. Now 49x squared minus 84xy plus 36y squared. Then 49 how to write? 7 7s are 49. 7 how many time coming? 2 time. Then 7 squared. Then x squared having, then right. Next minus 84xy plus 36 how to write? 6 6 are 36. 6 how many time coming? 2 time. Then 6 squared right. 6 squared into y squared. Then a value, this one is a squared. Then 7x the whole squared. 7 squared x squared. Then 7x the whole squared right. Are you understand? Then minus 84xy. Don't change the number. This one right. Then next 6 squared y squared. Then 6y the whole squared right. Okay. Then a value 7x. B value 6y. Then formula a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Then center symbol minus coming. Then minus formula used. Okay. Then apply the formula 7x the whole squared minus 2 into a value 7x, b value 6y plus b value 6y the whole squared. Then a minus b, a value 7x minus b value 6y the whole squared. Then factor value 7x minus 6y the whole squared means how many times write? 2 times. Then 7x minus 6y comma 7x minus 6y are the two factors. The next example 3.23. Factorize 49x squared minus 64y squared. Okay, 49 how to write? 7 7s are 49. 7 2 time coming, then 7 squared. This side x squared coming, then x squared right. Minus 64 how to write? 8 8s are 64. 8 2 time coming, then 8 squared y squared. Then 7x the whole squared minus 8y the whole squared. Comparing this with a squared minus b squared, the formula a plus b into a minus b. A value 7x, b value 8y. Then 7x plus 8y, 7x minus 8y. Then 7x plus 8y comma 7x minus 8y are the two factors. Today recap factorization. Example sum 3.18 to 3.23. Today homework. Example 3.18 and 3.19 sums write home test. Thank you dears.